there, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa Saynode, and today I am bringing one of my favorite plants in from the garden and I'm taking it into the kitchen. Epazote is an herb that's pretty common in Central American cooking. It's great for digestion, so it's commonly used to make a tea, but it's also a great seasoning as well. Because it helps to reduce gas and bloating, a lot of people like to put it in things like beans and stews. Episote has a nice, fresh, vibrant flavor that works really well in a tea. It's citrusy, but it's also sort of oregano-like at the same time. And to make a tea with it, I'm going to combine it with a little bit of mint from my garden. I have 1 sprig of mint and about 2 sprigs of the Epazote. I'm just going to combine them and pour some hot water over them and let them steep for about 2 to 3 minutes to let that nice flavor develop. The longer it sits, of course, the more flavorful the tea will be. And it's really a delightful tea. I drink it all the time, and even as I'm making this video, I'm sipping on a little bit of tea made with some Epazote from my garden. And this herb is also a really good seasoning for a bunch of different things. It's most commonly used in beans because of its gas-reducing properties, but it's also good in things like quesadillas or with meats and stews and all kinds of dishes. And it adds a nice sort of citrusy, oregano-y type flavor, and a little bit goes a long way. So today I'm going to be making one of those tri-fold burritos that's actually really fun. I guess it's maybe more of a quesadilla, I don't know. But I'm going to sprinkle my pan with a little bit of sea salt and add a little bit of butter. I love butter with my quesadillas. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my pan, and I'm going to let my butter sizzle and let the salt melt a little bit. Then I'm going to take my tortilla, and you see I've cut a slit in my tortilla about halfway up the middle of the tortilla. And then I'm going to add some cheese. This cheese is a blend of cheddar and mozzarella. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. And I like a lot of cheese in my quesadilla, so I'm going to be adding a healthy amount. Then I'm going to add my Epazote on just one corner of the tortilla. And then I'm going to add a little bit of leftover rotisserie chicken to my quesadilla. You can, of course, use anything you want. If you have some leftover steak or some ham. I sometimes make breakfast quesadillas, and I'll put in a fried egg or some scrambled egg. But today I'm just using some chicken. And then once I have the chicken in my quesadilla, I'm going to go ahead and take one corner of that quesadilla and the corner that I slit, and I'm going to fold it up over the chicken. And I am folding my quesadilla into a nice little triangle to make it easy to eat and hold. So I'm going to take that one corner and I'm going to flip it up towards the center and press it down just a little bit. And then I'm going to take that other edge and just flip it over to create this nice little triangle. And you can see it is sort of starting to fall apart just a little bit. Some of the things are falling out. That's okay. So we're just going to flip that over, and it's just going to create this nice little triangle and a really nice, fun, easy quesadilla to eat. The nice thing about this technique is you don't have to cut your quesadilla when you're done. It's already folded up into a nice little easy to hold triangle. Like with everything else, you can of course put your own spin on this and your own ingredients and make it the way you like. If you try Epazote in any of your dishes, let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. You'll find more recipes, articles, and video at canalcentral.com.